Hey there, everyone. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm proud to say I finally figured out what to do with the free ARM instance that Oracle Cloud provides. Well, it was just sitting there for a good half a year now, maybe more. I don't even remember when I made the video, but it was just there getting no use whatsoever. So I figured, well, what if I install a GUI and a VNC server and use it as a remote desktop? Obviously, not to do that on PC, because what's the point? But like, let's say on my phone, for instance, like you can get a full-fledged Linux desktop with 24 gigabytes of RAM for ARM, quite slow, but still, I mean, if you're gonna do like flight web browsing, connection's fast enough. I'm going to show you on speed test how fast it actually is. And I mean, it's not like, I mean, it's free. So you're not getting like a whole gigabyte a second. No, you ain't. But still, it's fast enough for web browsing. It is fast enough for, let's say, I don't know, even YouTube. But I mean, it's not a point. It's just the fact that you get full-fledged desktop on the go that you can use anywhere. Nowadays, you have the portable VNC servers that you can just carry around on a flash drive and plug it anywhere and just open it, and bingo, it saves your connection, the IP, the password, and bingo, you're right in and you can do whatever you want. It's your own private desktop that you can take anywhere, use on your phone, and use it anywhere you want, basically. And it does perform nicely enough, which I'm going to demonstrate. I mean, it does have a slight delay. I mean, for all its ARM, it's not really the fastest thing in the world, and it's got just four cores, so you cannot really expect much from it, but still, it is decent, rather decent. Let's open Firefox, shall we? Look at that. I mean, that's pretty fast, isn't it? Let's go on the speed test. Oops, daisy, there you go. Speed test. Let's check the speed, see how fast it goes. Oh, Japanese. What the hell? That's weird. I mean, server's based in Brazil. Why is it showing me Japanese ads? Funny because it matches my home internet. It's pretty much the very same. It figures the latency, I mean, is better than mine, obviously, but upload is better as well. Mine is like 100 megabytes, but still, download speed is the very same. So I would pretty much be getting the same experience I get at home anywhere. And it's got plenty of RAM, so you can have many tabs open, which is a very good thing. So if you want to, do stuff on mobile, do work, you can install. I mean, if you go here in the application installer, you can have like pretty much everything that's ARM compatible. You can do graphics work if you want. I mean, if you can stand this sluggishness, I mean, maybe you can do it. Oh, something went wrong. Flat hub. Ooh, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's pretend that didn't happen, okay? Let's just pretend. I mean, it's not flawless, but it works. So you have all the stuff that you could ever want. Ooh, you could use that CBOX if you wish. Zaps. Now, oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff going on here. So you could have your portable WhatsApp on the go. What else? There's so many things I could possibly do with this thing. I'm like, my mind is just kind of lost, just thinking of all the many possibilities that this offers. And at first glance, it's a very dumb thing, because then again, like, bro, what? And the point is, I mean, it's free. If I were paying for this, then yeah, that would be the dumbest thing ever. Like, why would you waste server resources with a GUI just for the sake of having a portable desktop that you can use anywhere, whenever you want? But it's free, so like, I was not even using it at first. It's getting used finally, and it's a fully portable desktop, which you can install everything you want and it just works. Look at that. There's a bunch of free stuff that you can just slap there, and it's gonna work. And you can like install LibreOffice and That's better than like Word for Android, is for sure. I mean, it's full-fledged. It's not, I mean, it's not as good as Microsoft Word for Windows, but still better than Word for Android anyway. PDF readers, all this stuff. So you can have your full-fledged portable workstation without spending a dime. And it's 24 gigabytes of RAM, which is insane. I mean, CPU-wise, it's really, really not that much of a thing. It cannot really do much in terms of raw computational power, but for light web browsing, having like all the tabs you want open, it's definitely gonna take it no problem. It can definitely stand the load, because after all, it's 24 gigabytes of RAM that you have for your enjoyment. Look at that. A whole 24 gigabytes of RAM. And the machine, I think at first it's like 50 gigabytes. I have a lot of stuff installed, so I'm down to 24 gigabytes free. But still, it's 24 gigabytes. There's a lot of stuff I could install there. Well, I mean, it works. I mean, you got to make sure to use a server that's closer to your location so that the latency is lower, and then you can have better image quality and so on. So that experience is more like, native. But still, I mean, it's pretty useful, perfectly useful. It's very easy to install as well. I'm going to put a link in the description that takes you to the video where the guy shows the step-by-step on how to install and configure the VNC so that it works, no problem. And then you can have the same virtual desktop that you can use whenever you want. And most importantly, totally free of charge, thanks to Oracle Cloud being so nice and providing us with 24 gigabytes of RAM on the go like that. It's insane. I mean, it's probably not going to last for longer because it's got pretty popular lately. Someone made a video about it and it got like hundreds of thousands of views. It was, back in the day, it was more like a secret, quote unquote. Not many people knew about it. Now everyone knows about it, so obviously it's probably not gonna be free anymore soon-ish. But hey, maybe they're feeling very, 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 very charitable, and perhaps it's gonna be free forever. Who knows? But the fact is, as it currently stands, it's completely free, and well, why not? If it's just sitting idling by, why not? You just do it. I mean, after all, it's a pretty decent remote desktop. That's the video for today. It's really short. It's more like our demonstration, just to give you guys an idea as well, because I wanted to share. It made me happy. It made me very happy. I didn't expect it to be that usable, because I assume, ARM, quite slow. It's going to be painful, but it's not painful at all. It can definitely be used for web browsing, for light multitask. And I mean, you got the RAM to back it up. I mean, CPU-wise, like I said, computationally, it's quite slow. But I mean, for stuff that's not that demanding, it's going to be fine. Hella fine. And just picture it, like you go on your Android phone and you connect your keyboard, mouse, and you have like your tiny full-fledged desktop that can do just about anything. It's amazing. But yeah, I mean, that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. You all take care. And remember, feedback's much appreciated. If you guys have anything, just say comment section is right down below. Don't be shy. I very much appreciate feedback. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I hope you guys don't find it as dumb as I thought at first. I was like, bro, this is so dumb. But I want to do it so bad because, I mean, there's a lot of RAM there. I was not even using it. So why not? Just, why not? I gave it a go. As much as it's very dumb, it made me very happy. It's surprisingly useful. And I mean, it's something that's very nice to have, even more so if you're not really paying for it. You know what I mean? It's like, if you were paying for it, then yeah, it's not very smart. But if you're getting it for free, why not? Because, I mean, at times you do need a full-fledged desktop on the go, and it's there just waiting for you to use it. Very simple to configure as well. So yeah, have a great one. Stay safe. And I see you guys hopefully soon. Bye-bye.